Hey everybody, it's Carol Belling. I'm your instructor for CTE 415 Micro Computer Applications. We were gonna change the name. We were going to change the name of the course to something closer to, software literacy or something like that. So if you see it as something different, don't freak out. It just wasn't changed across the board to my knowledge, so I haven't changed my materials, but CTE 415 is the same, no matter what the course name on it is, the description's the same. I kind of laugh a little bit when someone says the word microcomputer, so I'm like, yeah, I don't think we use that anymore, but anyway, scrolling through, you should probably read all of this. It's totally fabulous. What I wanted to point out was here's the link here to buy the Mind Tap, and this is your you have a digital book, and then you have the courseware where you go through and watch the videos that show you how to do the projects. And I have some projects assigned, but not every project assigned, because I want you to know how to do the things, the items, but I want you to know how to teach them as well. So I think that's what we're doing with that. Anyway, long story short, this is not 5,000 assignments in Mind Tap. There are some, but there's also other things related to teaching. Okay, teaching computer literacy. Which, quite honestly, if you teach anything, you end up teaching some computer literacy. English has to be able to teach Word, etc. Okay. The calendar is in Blackboard. Otherwise, all of this is standard information, I believe. Yes. I don't see anything in here that's riveting or new. So read it at your leisure. Make sure there's nothing in here you have questions about. And then you have the link there to buy your textbook, your digital textbook, and Mind Tap, which is right here, required readings. If you have any problems with that, just shoot me an email. I am not super great with Mind Tap, but I always get a little bit nervous about a third-party online purchase thing. It should be the right one, and I'm going to show you it in the Blackboard tour. I'm going to show you what it should look like. So that's it. Okay. We'll talk more soon.